Alright guys, what is Sunday, March 20th, and we're making the first fishing episode for the season. No cable is coming over. We're going to a little private lake that I'm not going to give the location of, but going to a private lake. It's pretty cold out. It's about 35 degrees right now, but it's supposed to warm up to about 45. So we're hoping as the sun gets up and the water warms up that it's going to bring the bite on. Fishing now, I don't know what we're going to be fishing with. I'm going to bring a variety of baits because we're supposed to be in this pre-spawn period to spawn, and I don't know if they're going to be doing that with the cold weather. So no cable gets here. We're going to pack up the car and head over to our private lake and do some fishing. So just waiting on him to get here. I'm going to get my gear ready. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, my stuff's ready. I'm set. Just waiting on the cake to show up. How many poles you packing today, dude?
What?
How many poles you packing today?
I got 3 poles.
Got 3 poles? That's something I got.
Casters, one bait.
Dude, I think we're twinning, because look at this. I'm packing the same thing. 2 bait casters and an open bail. You ready?
Yeah. What about you?
Dude, I'm pumped. Let's catch some fish. And what we're gonna do today, we have a tournament on the 23rd, and to get practice in, we're gonna do a time trial. We're gonna have 4 hours to fish today, and we're gonna combine our fish, best 5 fish. We'll just keep track of each of the weights, and then the end of the day, we'll just take the best 5 fish, add it up, and see what we get. So we're gonna start with a 4-hour time trial. Let me get that unlocked real quick. We're gonna do 4 hours, and I'm just gonna start it doing a running clock. Alright, so you can see it. I'm gonna hit start. Alright, clock's running. Let's start fishing, dude. Boom, smoky stud. Don't lose that fish, Kate. That's the first one, dude. Oh, and that's a keeper for sure. Definitely over 12 inches. That's definitely over 12. Alright, so that's the first fish up here. Alright, let's see what time it is too.
Nice looking fish.
11 minutes, and we got one on the board.
1.5.
1 point?
Oh, hold on.
Did you zero it?
Yeah, 1.5.
Alright. So the wind's blowing to this, or this way. The wind's facing, or going this way, so the fish, we're going to be swimming into the wind. So we're throwing in front of them and bringing them to them. Oh, here we go. Good fish. Oh, this is a tube. This is the tube right here, dude. This is the tube. I was just talking about our strategy. Bring it. Don't lose this fish. Don't lose this fish. That's what it's like. We were just talking about that, throwing him into it. He sucked that tube right up, baby. Number 2 is on the board. Number 2 is on the board.
So we got a 1.5.
1.5, baby. Is it center? Is it 0? Oh, dude, we were just talking about 2 pounds. 2 pounds exactly. 2. We're at 1.5 hours, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stopwatch. We're gonna stop the clock. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. We're gonna stop the clock. We're at 1 hour and 26 minutes. And we're gonna go get a bite to eat. We're gonna go to Mickey D's, something cheap, real quick. Munch. Hopefully the half hour we're going, the water will heat up. So that's where we're going to eat right now, and we'll be back to finish the 2.5 hours we have left. And we gotta make something happen in that time because we are down. We got 2 fish on the board, 3.5 pounds. We need to do better. So
Just try and help you.
Meals of Champions right here. Stay Fisherman, eat McDonald's. Alright, so we're back from lunch. We've fished for an hour and a half this morning. And it's 2:15 in the afternoon, but we're back to finish our time. We have 2.5 hours left. We got 2 fish right now on the board. Caught some other small ones, but they just weren't big enough. So starting the time, I don't know if you guys can see it, but starting the time. So here we go, let's finish strong. Good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish. Oh yeah, good fish. Sure, 12 inches. Hey, can you scale? No. You don't have it? You gotta go.
Should I turn it off?
You gotta make a plunge.
How do I do it?
You gotta get a scale. You gotta get a scale. You gotta get a scale. Get it on there. Isn't it? Okay. Okay. We made a run from all the way to the front of the lake down to here for a 1.7. Not bad. 1.7. Okay. All right. We're gonna go for this release. 1.7. That's 3 on the board now. Go for this release. Oh. All right. There he goes. 1.7, baby. I told you I was coming like that. Oh, this is it, dude. This is it. One more. No! Got all! No! Dude, 4-pounder.
No, that
Four-
was more than
4 pounds right there on the bank, man. God! There we go. Good fish. Yeah, not too bad. This might be right on the 12 inch. But this will fill it. You got the. Here, I'm gonna measure it first. Let's see if it's even 12.
It's not 12.
If it's not 12, we're done. Not the biggest fish, but it's right on 12. It's just like a centimeter over 12. You gotta fill the limit. There it is. Alright, clean up our limit, dude. Let's get a scale. 5 fish limit, baby. Good practice day, dude. Good practice day. That's 2 pounds. 2.8, baby. That's cleaning it up. That's cleaning it up, baby. 2.8. Good. 2.8 bass, baby. Good. All right, so we're at 2 hours and 16 minutes. We still have another hour and 45 minutes and we've got the 5 fish limit, but what we're looking to do is clean it up and get it a lot higher. What really got us that limit was a chatterbait at the front of this lake, and we filled it pretty quick. I had a bunch of fish up there, missed a few. So what I'm doing is we're gonna go back up there. He's gonna switch up and use some sort of, I think it's a June bug Christy crawl, and yeah, Yum.
June bug.
Yeah, June bug's the color. Yum, Christy crawl, June bug color. And then I'm gonna be throwing another chatterbait, just switched up colors and one a little bit smaller, because there is a toad up in that corner that I'm looking to reclaim, or he's gonna reclaim. So we're fishing with 2 different types of baits. Both baits we've had some good success with today. But we're just gonna go back over and we just gotta retrace our steps and just clean up our act. We gotta finish this limit strong. We got an hour and 45 minutes to do it, so let's get it done. Chatterbait with a white Yum swim. Hey, got one. Good one? Hey, keep it low, don't let it. It's a good one. Oh, for sure. For sure. That clears the 0.5 for sure. Alright, let's. That's 12 inches. Alright, so we're racing to 0.14 and we're going to 1 point exactly. So that's cleaning up the scale just a little bit. And we're at 2.5 hours. We got an hour and a half to keep fishing. Good job. There we go. Well, guys, that draws a close to our March 20th fishing practice. Noah and I are fishing together on the 23rd of April in a high school bass fishing tournament, and we could not be any more excited for it. I mean, we are so pumped, but until then, we wanted to do a couple practices, and that's what today was. We went out, fished with a 4-hour time limit, 12-inch minimum, and then a 5 bass limit. We were working together to fill that, and we filled it pretty early, but you know, we had a lot of mistakes. We had that monster on the bank that I had trouble landing, and because of that we ended up losing it. I mean, that's why we fished today. We wanted to find the flaws and the mistakes and just work to improve that stuff, because when it comes down to tournament time, we can't have those mistakes. So that's what today was for, and we're hopefully going to do another one before then, or before the tournament. So, I mean, the conditions were awful today too. It was real windy, real cold, but we had some good bites, had some good fish, and we had a total of 9 pounds, which, like I said, could have been better, but that's what today was for. It was a practice to do nothing but improve. And all in all, it just was awesome being out on the water, being in front of the camera with one of my friends and just fishing. So, as always, thanks for watching, and until I get another episode out, go like, subscribe, check out my channel. But again, thanks for watching this episode of The Outdoorsman.